you can add video instructions to any assignment or task or any box that features the rich content, as you can see here. To record a video, you're going to use the camera feature. You can also just record sound by using the audio recording. When I choose a new video recording, the first time that I use it, I do have to give itslearning permission to use my microphone and camera. This would have to be chosen for every new computer that you use, so I'm going to choose Allow here. And now I have my video showing, and I am just going to choose Record. Now you do have some limitations here. As far as what you can record. The stereo mix might allow you to record if you're playing a video or something in the background, but you really don't have the opportunity to record your screen. So if you want to record your screen, you will need to use a Screencastify or Screencast-O-Matic or something like that. To record, and then you can just add it to your assignment, the uploaded video. But if you want to record just yourself, you can do that right in itslearning using the video feature. So as soon as I choose Record, it gives me a little countdown, and I can begin my lesson. I can show things. So this is a great little video tool. It will allow you to record up to 10 minutes. Typically, recording, you want to keep under 6 minutes to be effective and hold your audience's attention. Okay, I'm going to hit stop here. And you can see this takes a few moments to upload, but now you know that it's working. And now it's saying it's being uploaded. You could give it a name. And save. Now it shows here it as a text box or an icon box here. But as soon as you create the assignment, if I do show here, you can see it comes as a actual video recording that can be watched right in itslearning. And I can begin my lesson. Hope this is helpful.